Alright viewers, Walter here. Just a little short vlog today. Gotta go to the dump, so I'm gonna do a little talking. I'm what you might call Bluetooth ignorant.
Connected.
I made that little video the other day about me hooking up my speakerphone here on the sun visor so I can make phone calls, go hands-free with my cell phone. But being Bluetooth ignorant, there's a lot of things about Bluetooth I haven't been really kept up to date on. One of my viewers on Facebook posted a thing that they were using this Wish.com app. Said all kind of electronic dooflunkers. It's probably something on the order of eBay. You can't really bid on it, but it's a place where you can buy stuff. And I went on there and ordered a Bluetooth thing that you can plug right here in your cigarette lighter. Now my car was built before Bluetooth radios come out, but you can plug that thing here in your cigarette lighter, or one in the back. It transmits over an FM frequency, comes out your regular radio that's not Bluetooth. So I could stream my Spotify music or whatever from my phone straight to my car radio. And the thing only costs like 15 bucks and $5 in shipping and handling. And then got so, gotta be careful I don't get addicted to this Wish.com. So if you check it out, be cautious you don't get hooked on it. I've already spent nearly 100 bucks on the darn thing in one day. I gotta take it easy. I'll be done bought everything they got. I gotta get this air conditioner going. It is hot in this car. Come on people, I don't want to get caught by the red light. Anyway, I ordered that Bluetooth thing and a couple other little goodies. I'm in the process of going to make a video about my laser bore sighter for my rifles. It finally came from China. I haven't bothered to use it yet, but I'll do a video showing how that thing works as soon as I figure out how it works. Wife and I have been really busy today, snapping green beans. Mostly she was. I mostly just watched. Shelling speckled butter beans, putting them up. In other words, putting them ready for the freezer. Hello? Hello? Guess I need to increase the volume on that thing. I get up here where I can stop, I'll see who it was calling me. You can't really go mess with your cell phones in Georgia, you'll get a ticket. Pretty sure that law will pass statewide or nationwide, but there might be some states that don't honor that law. I don't know. That's the way it should be, though. And when I get my thing from Wish.com about the Bluetooth, we're definitely going to make a video about that. There's all kind of Bluetooth devices you can use. They got things that stick in your ear. Might even got one you can stick up your nose. Hello?
Hey, does it work?
Yeah, it seems to be working all right.
Well, my call is to Google what was available.
I couldn't hear it ringing. I got the air conditioner running wide open.
Oh, okay. Well, wanted to see if it worked.
It works.
All right.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Well, that's pretty cool. It does work. I wasn't expecting to actually get a call. Anyway, we're going to dump this trash, and I'll share this video with you this afternoon. You might want to check out wish.com. My viewer cautioned me about being careful about, oh Lord, what's going on up here? Being careful about don't get stuck with too much shipping charges and stuff. But they really got some good prices on some of that stuff on there. I had fun just sitting and sorting through the things they have for sale. Ordered the wife a little kitchen timer. They said, thanks for joining. We're going to give you a free present. So I clicked on send me a free wristwatch. They're going to do that. I would have bought the wife some jewelry, a ring or something, but I don't know her ring size is, and she ain't too much on, you know, it wouldn't be real gemstones, not for the prices they're charging. But it had some really good looking jewelry on there. Anyway, I'm just carrying on. I got to get out here at the dump. We'll talk to y'all later. This is Pwalpar signing off.